Alright, welcome to the Freedom Unchained channel. I was going to do a short one about one of the 35 reasons why we need to dissolve the government that we have right now and relaunch the original Constitution to actually put in place the government that the Founding Fathers originally intended this country to have. You know, a republic, not a democracy. A trust, a constitution that is a trust where the people are the beneficiaries and the trustees actually protect our property. You know, one of the properties is our rights, our God-given rights. So I have a poster of a beautiful woman behind me. I wish I were a man. I'd join the Navy. I thought it was kind of funny. Be a man and just do it. But I'm going to say, don't join the Navy because they're part of this legal fiction that was created to enslave us all. And they've done a damn good job of us with those indoctrination camps. So instead of me making a short video, I was going to make a longer video talking about this point right here that the Friends of the Original Constitution write out for the world to know. One of the many reasons why we need to dissolve this government that we have right now. They created this legal fiction or secret jurisdiction to subjugate us, override our rights and liberties, and to fulfill their nefarious objectives of monopolies, greed, tyranny, monarchy, and control. And they've done a damn good job of it. At first, when I was reading this, I read the word legal fiction. They created this legal fiction. I was thinking legal fictions, like, you know, the person they created to enslave us all. But no, they're just talking about the actual legal fiction of the government they created. The government, which is a corporation they registered in another country. I don't know why you would do that. We have a trust. We have the Constitution, the trust. That doesn't need to be registered anywhere. So why are all the states registered in different states and the United States Corporation registered in a different country and all of that kind of stuff? Why have we gone through 3 bankruptcies? Why do they teach us in school that this is a land of the free? We have liberties, but then you have no liberties, especially nowadays. You gotta wear those muzzles, and you can't do anything without the poke, the VAXX. I mean, you know, before that even happened, you had to register everything that you've ever owned to the government. What kind of freedom is that? I don't think that's the government that the Founding Fathers wanted to put into place. But, yeah, they're talking about just the corporate fiction, the legal fiction, or the secret jurisdiction that's trying to override our rights, liberties, and fulfill their nefarious objectives of monopoly, greed, tyranny, monarchy, and control. No, not just the person. I was thinking they were talking about the person, so I thought it was pretty interesting. But no, that's how they suck you lawfully into their jurisdiction. They lawfully suck you into their legal system by giving you a piece of paper that they've created called the person, and then you identify as that person. That is why you have to pay taxes. I don't have to pay taxes, but you do, because you are the person. You keep identifying yourself as the person. So when the IRS comes knocking on your door, sending you a letter, you say, yeah, well, my name's on there. That must be me. They must not be talking about someone else. They wouldn't have sent it to this address where I'm located. They obviously found the right person, so let me pay my taxes. No, you're paying the person's taxes. The fictional entity created by the government called the person. So go and look into every legal document. Do they identify a man? No. Do they identify the people? No. They identify a person. They're always talking about the person. The person shall. So there's one more reason for you guys to go over there and sign the Declaration of Restoration. It's just a stepping stone, a good movement to go follow behind, support. So then one day, maybe, we can actually implement another trust that is more secure from the corruption of men. Because the one they're trying to restore now isn't as secure and protected from the corruption as men as we thought it was. Well, the Founding Fathers knew it would only last about 200 years. And they're pretty right on. We're about there. A little bit over 200 years. And I don't think it's going to last much longer. The deep state has their agenda. And if you don't believe in the deep state, then you're a conspiracy theorist, because you're a dumbass. That's how we put people in buckets. You know, all you libtards out there. You've been indoctrinated for so long with this fake scream media, this propaganda, that you think just putting people in buckets is the way to discriminate on them and shame them and tell them how stupid you are because you're in that bucket I put you in. So, you know, trolls and you libtards and you communists and you fascists, I'm going to play the same game you guys play if you want to play this game. Because I have one weapon behind me you guys don't have, and it's the truth. So you can come at me as much as you want, put me in whatever bucket you wish to put me in, but I'm not going to accept your title, and I'm definitely not going to accept your title as a person. This might be a long, hard battle we're going to have to fight, but in the end, love and the light's going to win. So I hope you guys go over and support this cause of this stepping stone that we need to eliminate the corruption out of our government, and eventually we'll be able to shrink it down even farther. We can get rid of the states as well, because we don't need states anymore, and we can all govern ourselves with cooperation of micro communities secured on a blockchain. I think that's where we need to take this, secure our freedoms, and get all of these libtards, communist fascists out of our lives forever. And maybe off this world forever. Just wipe that whole idea off the world. Because blockchain will give everything anybody ever can want in politics, but it will do it better. We will have love and peace. So I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. Go support that cause. I'm going to be promoting it all the time. I'm going to get an interview with the gentleman that launched this restoration of the Constitution in a couple of weeks, hopefully, when he's ready to start doing interviews. And that should be a good one. So I hope you guys subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys comment. Let's get a conversation started. Like the video, share it around, and until next time, I'm going to leave you guys in the love and light of one infinite creator. Peace.